Hello, and welcome to Desigo Optic, Discovering BACnet Device. Now that we have created our hierarchy in the system, we need to go ahead and discover our device. If we come down to connectors, you will see that we have BACnet here, and once we expand BACnet, you will see Discover. A couple of things are important before you start. You can adjust certain parameters like the port that you are going to utilize to discover the devices. You can go to BACnet Global Configurator, and here you can change the instance number of Optic. You could also change the local network number of Optic. And here is the outgoing network number. I will show you when we get to Discover that the incoming network number, this is the outgoing port number, so if we use instead of 47,808, we might be using 47809, 8, 10, 11. This is where we would make that change local bind address as long as we keep it 0, it is basically whatever the host is the local host, or you can change it to match the IP address of the local device. These are pretty much the changes you can make here. And then we hit save for any changes that we just made. And then for Discover you can make changes to the settings, the broadcast address, if you have to give it a custom broadcast address, if you want to change the instance range of devices you want to discover. This is the incoming network number. This is what the devices see when they discover. And then there is a timeout. By default, this is set to 5. We change this to between 20 and 30 to discover devices on a network. Once that has done, you hit apply. Now we are ready to discover devices. If I hit discover, it is going to go out and find some devices for me. And once these devices come in, we will see the information from those devices like the IP address and instance number and stuff like that, and we want to match up that device. These are designated as AS5 and AS6. There may be a different display name, it may be said HU1 or HU2. Based on our understanding, we know AS05 is AHU2. We go ahead, and we are going to select that device. And then you could drag it down, or you could hit add. If you just hit add, it comes down to the bottom, and now we've discovered our device, and it shows you in our equip tree right here underneath Discover. Thanks for watching, and see you soon in one of our next videos about Desigo Optic.